Hi, I'm Joe. I'm a lead MLOps engineer at Fuzzy Labs.
Hi, I'm Danny, and I'm an MLOps engineer at Fuzzy Labs.
Hi, I'm Oscar. I'm a MLOps engineer from Fuzzy Labs.
Why do you like working at Fuzzy Labs?
I'd say the main reason is the people. Having come from really big organization, now working in a small company, the people really make it. I think coming into work every day and people are just super keen, super excited to get stuck in. Everyone just chips in and pulls their weight. It's great.
I think the best thing about working at Fuzzy Labs is the team and the support you get. Whether it's a problem you're stuck on with a particular project or you just want advice on your career in general, there's always someone there who's willing to give you the time, help you with your expertise, and just make sure that everything you need to get done gets done.
I think the reasons why I love working at Fuzzy Labs is the working environment and the people that the company have. I always feel like I can share my thoughts with anyone. It's very relaxed. There isn't any pressure or anything.
What's the most interesting thing you've worked on?
We work on a variety of projects, which is really exciting, big driver for me. I think one of my favorite ones has been working with one of the engineers, Oscar. We've been doing a lot of properly nerding out over some maths, building object detection algorithms, so a lot of computer vision stuff, basically trying to figure out how to transform images in different dimensions and shape things like that. So as a maths graduate, that really sort of properly nerded out for a few days, which was really fun.
I think the most interesting project that I've been working on is about security in large language models. So working out certain new ways of attacking them and how to defend against those attacks. It's just a really interesting mix of engineering challenges and research.
We usually work on a range of different projects. So from data science project, natural language processing to computer vision project. So my favorite one is probably the last one I worked on, which is a computer vision project. That's my favorite one because that's what I did when I did my master's degree. So it's good that I can actually use something I learned from university in like real life project.
What's the most surprising thing about working at Fuzzy Labs?
I think surprising is an interesting one because I somewhat expected it, but the level is really exciting. So coming from, again, big organization to a small company, the variety of stuff that we get involved in. I expected there to be a lot of different work that we would do in terms of client work, internal work, but the sheer variety and the ability and the necessity of working in a small company is that you end up jumping onto lots of different things. So that really excites me. I might come in one day and end up doing 10 different things that I didn't realize partly we even did, but also that I expected to do that day. So yeah, variety is really, really exciting.
So I think it's just the range of tasks that you take on day to day. Because we're quite a small company, you'll end up doing things that aren't in your job description, but are still sort of vital to the running of a company. So while a lot of your day will be spent coding, there's a lot of like talking to clients and helping with marketing or the direction of the company. Just a wide range of things that you get to do.
So the most surprising thing of working in Fuzzy Labs is the range of different things we get to do. So we don't just do client projects, we also do R&D stuff, which I found to be very interesting. We also get the opportunity to work on things that are not directly related to client work. So anything we find interesting, we can share with other people in the company. And then we usually get the opportunity to work on it.
How would you describe the Fuzzy Lab vibe?
Outdoorsy, I'd say. I think as a group, we're all pretty outdoorsy. I mean, most of my recruitment process was talking about outdoorsy stuff. And then joining the company Strava was a big step. So the fact that we have that and it has got a large chunk of the company on it says quite a lot about who we are and what we do, and what we care about.
So I think I made a weird face there. I think just generally very chilled. So we get a lot of stuff done, but it never feels very high pressure. It just feels like you've got the team there to support you.
The way I would describe it is very welcoming. So it's very relaxed. There isn't any pressure at any point. You can always talk to anyone in the company. Doesn't matter who CTO or the lead. You can talk about anything with them. So it's very relaxed and chill.
That's a really bad example. We'll scratch this one.
Did you have an answer for
I
it?
did.
Did you write it down?
No, I had an answer for this. Next question.
I want to mess it up. Can we restart the thing? So what was the question again?
Lovely. Perfect. Cool.